you do not need to break the bank to get started and to grow on YouTube. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best free tools that every YouTuber needs to grow their channel. If you're just starting out on YouTube, I know you're probably thinking, what tools do I need to make this work? When I first started, I was overwhelmed with all the options out there. There are many tools and most of them are paid. But let me tell you, you do not need to break the bank to get started and to grow on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to share with you top free tools that have been helping me to grow my YouTube channel. These tools are very simple and very effective. They will help you with everything from content creation and also optimizing your video for more views. Let's dive right in. Tool number one is Canva, which is your thumbnail and your graphic design body. If you've been on YouTube for just a minute, you would understand that thumbnails are very crucial and important. It is the first thing people see where they are browsing through your videos. And guess what? You don't need expensive tools to make a very eye-catching thumbnail. Canva is a free and super easy graphic design tool that can help you to create professional looking thumbnails in minutes. They even have templates that are specifically designed just for YouTube, which makes it more easier. I'm telling you, this tool has saved me so much time and effort. You can add bold text, bright colors, and even your own photos. You have a full access to everything you need to make a thumbnail that stands out. You can go ahead and try making a thumbnail using Canva for your next video and drop a comment below and let me know how it goes. And hey, if you want personalized feedbacks on your thumbnails and designs, join my free private group where I share exclusive tips and tricks on how you can create thumbnails that grab attention. The second tool you need is TubeBuddy, which makes your YouTube optimization a whole lot easier. This tool is like your personal YouTube assistant. It helps you to find the best keywords for your videos. It gives you tag suggestions and also help you to even analyze competitor videos. It is a game changer ranking your videos and getting discovered by the right audience. And the best part is this: they have a free powerful version with powerful features to help you get started. And trust me, I use it all the time. If you haven't tried TubeBuddy yet, I advise you to give it a try. After this video, you can check it out and then you start optimizing your videos. The third tool is Google Trends. This tool helps you to find popular topics very fast. Have you ever wondered what people are searching for on YouTube right now? Google Trends is your best friend when it comes to finding trending topics and video ideas. You can go ahead and use it to explore what people are talking about or searching for in your niche. What is hot in your niche, what people are looking for, and tailor your videos to match those trends. This helps your content to get discovered more easily because you are talking about the things that people are already interested in. You can head over to Google Trends and then you start searching for hot topics in your niche. And if you want more help figuring this out, you can join my free private group where I dive deeper into this and other things that are working right now. The fourth tool is Descript, a very easy to use video editing tool. I know editing can be a pain, especially when you're just starting out, but Descript is a game changer. It's a great video editing tool that you can use for basic editing. You can cut, you can trim, and you can even add captions to your videos. All this with few clicks. And for beginners like us, it is very important to have a very friendly tool that is easy to navigate and also time saving to produce a very polished video. Here you have it, 4 essential tools that would help you grow massively on YouTube. These tools are going to save your time. They are going to help you to create better content and also ensure that your video reach more people. But before we finish, I want to invite you to my free private group where I share even more exclusive insights, detailed tutorials, and personalized advice to help you grow faster on YouTube. Whether it's about SEO, thumbnails, or content strategy, I'm there every step of the way to support you. You can go ahead and click the link in the description to join my private group. I can't wait to see you in the group and help you to level up your YouTube game. If you found this video useful, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly tips, and also share this video with someone who is starting out their YouTube journey. We are in this together, so let's keep creating, let's keep growing. Peace out.